Welcome to our ultimate showdown between two powerful gaming motherboards, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi and the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi. In this video, we'll dive deep into their specifications, features, and performance to see which one reigns supreme. Whether you're an Intel enthusiast or an AMD aficionado, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi is designed for Intel's latest 12th, 13th, and 14th generation processors, offering robust performance for gaming and productivity. In contrast, the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi is tailored for AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, providing a solid foundation for those who prefer AMD's architecture. Both motherboards cater to different CPU platforms, so your choice will depend on your preferred processor. The ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi boasts PCIe 5.0 support, making it ideal for users looking to utilize the latest GPUs and SSDs for maximum performance. On the other hand, the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi supports PCIe 4.0, which is still capable but may not offer the same level of future-proofing as its competitor. If cutting-edge technology is a priority, the Z790 is the way to go. When it comes to pricing, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi is priced at $249, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. In contrast, the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi is a more budget-friendly option at $169, making it an attractive choice for gamers on a tighter budget. Ultimately, your decision may hinge on how much you're willing to invest in your gaming setup. In conclusion, both the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-Plus Wi-Fi and the MSI PRO B650-S Wi-Fi offer unique advantages tailored to different user needs. The Z790 excels in high-end features and future-proofing, while the B650 provides excellent value for those on a budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.